Yo, what is up, gang? It's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo, and today we have the beautiful CRF150R. And as you've seen from the title, we are going to straight pipe this baby. She gonna get loud. It's gonna be crazy. That's why I have the plastic off, so it's easier just to pull the exhaust off. That's why the bike probably looks a little funky right now. But yeah, let's get into it, and it's gonna be crazy. All right, well, if you guys wanted to see what the bike looks like up close without the plastic, it's pretty simple. There's 3 bolts that attach this back part of the exhaust, the muffler, to like the header part. I feel like this bike is already so freaking loud with this muffler. Like, taking the muffler off, it's just gonna be bananas, bro. But I mean, as you see, the bike is looking flippin' clean, bro. I'm still so stoked I purchased this. But enough talking, let's get into some action. All right, we got the helmet on. I'm gonna show you what the bike sounds like when it's cruising with the exhaust on, and then we're gonna take her off, rev her a bit, see how nasty she gets. So I mean, as you can see with the exhaust, like, bro, so I think that guy's calling the cops. I just passed, but yo, as you can see, bro, it sounds pretty good. A little wheelie. Bro, it sounds good, man. Woo! Bro, this thing, it sounds so good, dude. Alrighty, gang. She's a little hot right now, so we got my handy dandy microfiber, and we're gonna see if we can just wiggle this bad boy out. Ow! They been hot. They been hot, bro. Oh my god, this thing is hot right now. But here we have it, bro. The straight pipe 150R. The sheet gonna be lit. Bro, I'm scared to start it up, bro. I don't want to mess up my valves or nothing. But I'm doing it for y'all, man. I'm doing it for the people, so they don't have to ruin their bike. They can just watch my video. I'm scared, bro. I'm literally scared, dude. I'll be right back. Let's test this out. We're in race mode. I can barely talk to you guys because this thing is so loud. Oh my. Bro, this thing is crazy loud. What the hell? This is like painfully loud for my ears, bro. You hear that? Oh my god. Yo, this thing sounds great, bro. You don't understand. I hope the camera picks it up. But this thing, let me take my helmet off for this, bro. This thing is flipping loud, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. It still reminds me of a boat. I feel like every straight pipe motorcycle reminds me of a boat for some reason. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna put the exhaust back on, and we'll just do a little normal rip, and we'll go from there. Alright. Let's tighten this exhaust back on before the freaking popo comes and shows up, thinking there's gunshots going on at this park.
These ain't no game. I dropped out of school, I'm still getting mad, but nigga don't test me. I play to the left, they went to the right, they try to finesse me.
Man, what a beautiful day out here, just to be cruising. You already know we're gonna shred hard on the way back. Bro, but this thing, it's crazy because like the RPM goes up to 12,000 or something gnarly, bro. Even like, bro, that's the thing with Hondas. Even my 50cc, I think the RPM goes up to like 8,000, which is so flipping high for such a small little bike, bro. All right, we're shredded. forgot I could shift lock on this bike. We're lit, bro. Let's go, bro. This is a fire little road, bro. Bro, it's crazy how much different the bike sounds just with like an exhaust on it, bro. Like, it's so much different. Alrighty, gang, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Straight piping my CRF150R. This thing's loud. I do not recommend that you straight pipe it just because it's bad for the valves, I've been told. I'm not 100% sure if that's true or not, but just take my advice and don't do it, because it's probably better to not do it than do it, if you feel me. But yeah, let me know if you want to see some more videos on the CRF50, this bike, or the YZ125, or the DRZ. I know you guys want to see the DRZ. That's coming soon. Man, y'all thought the video was over? Of course not, bro. This is some extra little bonus footage. I'm going to show you guys my 50 little up close real quick. I got the extended brake lever. This thing from 50 Stunts, and it's flipping amazing, bro. Literally, if you're like taller person, I wear size 10.5, 11, this is the foot brake for you. Going on next, it came with these freaking little pedals, which are pretty dope. Yeah, I did my little custom bar riser things. I just put some bolts right there. I already had a riser kit, but I wanted it even higher, and I put these little bolts to raise it. Nothing too crazy. The freaking light, you gotta have a headlight, street legal, you know the vibe. Tail light, street legal, you know the vibe. And bro, of course you gotta have stock exhaust, keep it quiet. As you guys know, this bike is not the neighborhood ripper, it is the community ripper now. So please refer to the CRF50 as the community ripper, because that's what it is. And yeah, man. Damn. Yeah, man, this thing is freaking sick, bro. Like, I highly suggest every one of you guys to cop 50 if there's one cheap in your town, because I probably have more fun on this little bike than any of these 3 bikes. So, it is what it is. I love you, gang. This is the official outro. Merch in the description. Stay motivated. Peace!